AI code often doesn't fail because it's buggy. It fails because it's perfectly written code, but built on business rules that the AI had to invent for you. This looks perfect, the linter passes, the test pass, a senior dev would sign off on it, and it's still wrong because it invented a rule about your business that isn't true. Let me show you where this issue comes from. This is AI coding decoded. Here's the key distinction that will change how you review AI output. A function can be technically perfect. It handles every type, every edge case a linter can see, and still do the wrong thing because the person prompting the AI has rules that the AI has no way of knowing. You have a pricing rule, never discount below cost. You have an authentication rule, only one session per user. You have a database rule, no duplicate customers. None of that's in the code, and it wasn't in the prompt either. It's in your head, and when you ask the AI for an online store application, it doesn't know that these rules exist, so it writes the version that it assumes that you want, not the one that you actually wanted. That begins the problem because you look at the clean code and your brain says approved. Here's a real example. Say I asked for a subscription feature. The AI could write a perfect implementation, except that it might assume that renewal happens automatically and silently. I might have wanted the user to have to approve renewal, or vice versa. In either case, it would be perfect code, just the wrong business logic. And that code could be in use for months before anyone noticed. The scary part isn't that it happened. It's that a code reviewer, just checking for bugs, would have missed it. And they would have been totally correct because there isn't a bug. There's a mismatch between what the code does and what the business needs. So how do you catch a bug that isn't a bug? It's not a linter problem, it's not a test problem, it's a communication problem. And there's a simple thing that you can do that fixes it. The fix is boring and it works. Write your business rules into the prompt, then make the AI explain its logic back to you in plain terms before you approve. Notice that I didn't tell it how to code. I told it what needs to be in the software and how it needs to work. That's the difference. Then there's the second part. Before you start coding, ask it one question. In plain language, explain what business rule this code implements. When the AI writes the answer, review it. And if you think, wait, that's not my rule, you found a problem. What you've identified, that sentence right there, is the bug the linter can never find. You've just caught it in a few minutes. Clean code is easy to trust. It's the wrong assumptions that the AI may have made that will get you. Write your rules into the prompt, have the AI explain them back, and you'll catch issues that no code review ever will. When's the last time the AI code did exactly what you asked and it was still wrong? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe for more AI Coding Decoded to learn more ways to make AI software that actually works. Next up, I'm going to show you how to review AI-generated code just like a junior devs, and I'll show you what that review actually catches.